In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sections to pages on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly how to customize any page in your online store using Shopify's theme editor without touching a single line of code. To start, log into your Shopify admin and look for the online store section in the left-hand menu. Under Online Store, click on Themes. This is where all of your store's themes live and where you'll access the visual editor that lets you design your pages. On the theme you're currently using, click the Customize or Edit Theme button. This opens the theme editor, which shows a preview of your store on the right and a sidebar with sections and settings on the left. At the very top of the editor, you'll see a drop-down menu that usually defaults to the home page. Click that drop-down and instead of Home, choose Pages. From there, select the specific page you want to edit. This could be an About page, a Contact page, a FAQ page, or any other standard page you've created in Shopify. Once you select it, the preview will update to show that page, and the left sidebar will show the sections currently used on it. Now, to add new content, look at the left sidebar and click on Add Section. A panel will open with a list of all the available section types your theme supports. Here you can choose from options like Image Banner for a large hero image with text, rich text for simple headings and paragraphs, multi-column if you want content displayed in columns, or collapsible content for FAQs and toggles. You can also add a featured collection to showcase products, a contact form so visitors can reach you directly from that page, or custom liquid if you need a more advanced code-based block and you're comfortable with that. Once you choose a section type, it will be added to your page and appear in the sidebar. Click on it to edit the content, such as changing text, images, and settings. You can repeat this process to add as many sections as your design requires. To control the order of your content, use drag and drop in the left sidebar. Click and hold the section you want to move, then drag it up or down until it's in the position you prefer. This lets you quickly experiment with layouts and see the changes live in the preview. When you're happy with how everything looks, make sure to click Save in the top right corner. This publishes your changes to that page on your live store. That's all you need to do to add and arrange sections on any Shopify page.